Today I will teach you how to do some cool video magic like this. So you have a small card and just make it bigger like this. So let's start. Hey guys, it's Nemanja and welcome to another really fun episode. Few days ago I posted on my Instagram this Insta story. When I play cards with older people, they like to complain that the numbers on the cards are too small. So I decided to make them much bigger like this, but now this is too big for me, so let's make it smaller again. This is much better. And after that I got a lot of questions from you guys how I did it, can I do a video tutorial about that? And I said no, at least not for now, but because too many of you guys asked this, here's a video tutorial on how to do this cool easy video magic tricks similar like zacking. So there is nothing complicated involved with this, no video effects, no transitions, no masking or special effects, just Premiere Pro, some simple cutting and also just some smart thinking in the front. So basically what you need for this, you need a camera with a tripod because you don't want to move your frame, you want everything to be filmed from the same spot, and you need the props. You need a card, of course, because you want to make this card bigger, and also you need another card that will be bigger card. So it doesn't need to be a card. You can use maybe some small camera that you want to make a bigger camera or whatever. You just need to have a duplicate object in a bigger size. And now you just need to film yourself how you're holding the card, moving towards the camera, then holding another card, moving towards the camera, and just do a simple cut, and that's it. So now we will go straight to Premiere Pro. I will show you the video clip that I made an Insta story from, and I will show you how I cut it and where I cut it and how I combine everything together. So let's do it. Alright guys, we are here in Premiere Pro, and here I already have a footage that I recorded for Insta story. It's a raw footage, and now I will show you where to cut, how to cut, and how simple and easy is to combine everything together. So let's watch a footage together. When I play cards with older people, they like to complain that the numbers on the cards are too small, they cannot see it pretty good. So I decided... See, I just did that move and I went to bigger card, did the same move with the bigger card to make them a bit bigger. And I will now show you where and how to cut. So I want to cut somewhere, let's mute this for now. I want to cut somewhere, I didn't mute it? No, okay. I want to cut somewhere in the motion, so I want my card to be in a motion blur because it's better for that transition between bigger and smaller cards. So I want to cut it somewhere, probably somewhere here, okay? Just press C on a keyboard or go to cut tool, just cut here, and then I want to find another motion with a bigger card. Okay, let's make this bigger. So again, the same motion, so maybe here. I just want to cut it here and delete this part and just right click, ripple delete, and this is how it looks now. Puff, that's cool. So let's do with the sound. Pretty good. So I decided to make them a bit bigger. See, it's really cool. Also, if I go frame by frame, you will see, just a second to mute this. If I go frame by frame, see, it's really nice. It's like a natural enlargement of cards, so it's really cool. And also then this is too big, so let's make it smaller again. I pull it towards to me, then use another card and do the same move, and now we need to do those two cuts. So I want to have a cut somewhere. Why is it not muting? See, it's crazy. Okay, this is something Premiere bug. Okay, I want to cut when I pull back towards to me, something like this, probably here. And then I want to cut again when I pull this card towards to me, so somewhere here, for example. And now, if I go delete this, right click, ripple delete, it's smaller again. See, it's cool. So let's make it smaller again. Perfect. So if I go frame by frame, let me see. Perfect. It's so nice, smooth, really cool. So you don't need any kind of effects, any kind of a transition, special masking, etc. This is so simple and easy. And then what I like to do, when I finish with everything, I like to add some kind of music as a background music to make everything a little bit more interesting. So for the music, I love to use Epidemic Sound. They're my favorite place to go when I need to find the music or special effects, sound effects for my YouTube videos, Instagram stories, Facebook videos, etc. And also guys, I love to use them because I want to be sure that I'm using licensed music, that I have a license for that. I don't want to get in a situation that I use some music that I don't have a license for that and somebody sue me for that, or maybe YouTube take down my video and I get a strike because I'm using unlicensed music. So here's the Epidemic Sound. I just go and search for piano for this type, and I have more than 3,500 different songs. So this one is really good, and I will use this one. I just need to go here, download the music as a full mix, or I can download as a themes and put it in a Premiere Pro. And also guys, if you want to try out, I will give you a link down there in the description so you can get 30 days, 1 month completely free Epidemic Sound, so you can search and browse among all the genres that they have and all the sound effects, special effects, a lot of good stuff. So they're my favorite place to go, and that's why I recommend it to them. Just follow the link down there in the description. Okay, now that we downloaded the music, I just need to put the music here on a separate track, cut it somewhere after the video, delete this part, and I just want to lower the volume a little bit.
When I play cards with older people, they like to complain that the numbers...
Nice. And then I want to go to effects, search for fade. Okay. And here is exponential fade to add at the end of the video to have something like this. That's cool. And that's it guys. Now you need to just export this as a video, put it on your phone, put it on Instagram, or if you're using it for maybe YouTube, just put it on YouTube, Facebook, wherever. That's cool. So that's it. It's simple, easy, fast, nothing special, nothing complicated, really cool. I hope that you like this video, that you learned something new, that I inspired you with this video to create your own cool video magic tricks, and you just need to find the props that you want to use, like I did here with the cards. Smaller and bigger cards, you can use smaller and bigger car, camera, pillow, I don't know, whatever, shirt, whatever you can find, just try it. You just need to think in advance to make that smart thinking where you want to cut and how you want to cut, and then just do simple moves, cut it and export it as a video. And also guys, if you do something like this and put it on Instagram as a story or a post, I will love to see that, so please tag me to see what you came up after watching this video. Also guys, if you want to add the music to your videos, check out the link down there in the description for Epidemic Sound, my favorite place for music for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And if you have any questions regarding this episode, please leave me down there in the comment section below. I will be glad to answer it. Also guys, if you appreciate this episode, if you like this content, press the like button down below, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe in case you didn't already, and also ring that bell to get notified about all the future episodes. Have fun, experiment, and see you guys in my next fun tutorial. Bye bye. If you take ordinary piece of paper and just crush it like this, you will get some really cool rolls. And also if you put a handle on it and do a magic move, you will get real rolls, which is really cool. Try it. See you soon guys.